Hello everyone, August 19th, 2026. Time right now is 8 p.m. Look at how these rays of light are coming, shooting. You can just really see it. If I zoom in a little bit on that. It's kind of weird how it's scattering that light. I'm going to try to get the drone up tonight. We'll see what happens.
Sunset paints the sky in shades of gold as the stars begin their shine and stories untold. Colors swirling in a celestial ballet, the sky's canvas, a masterpiece on display. The midnight hour, cloak of velvet blue, moonlight whispers secrets, oh so true. Indigo dreams, like a river flowing free in the depths of night, a symphony you see. Oh, the colors in the sky, they're a sight to behold, each hue telling tales as the story unfolds, from golden light to midnight blue. So high, a painted canvas in the vast open sky.
About the shifting blues, when that pull shift comes, you know I ain't gonna lose. Got that heavy weight upon my heart every time we drift apart. It tears me apart. When I hear that engine roar, can't help but feel I can't take it no more. Gotta keep shuffling through this pain, trying to hold on, but it's driving me insane. Oh, pull shift coming, baby, me away, leaving me behind. I'm begging you to stay. Oh, pull shift coming, taking all my love, left me with these shifting blues. Push and shove.
Rain's pouring down like teardrops from the sky. Planet X is causing chaos, nothing left to wonder why. We're drenched in sorrow, can't escape the pain, the sky is crying, washing away our joy and shame. Dark clouds rolling in, thunder starts to roar. Planet X bringing storms we've never seen before. Tears fall from above, soaking through the ground. Sky is crying, but there's no one else around. Teardrops from the sky, a never-ending rain, washing away our hopes, drowning out the pain. The sky is crying. In this world gone astray, but we'll still find a way through the tears and the gray.
In the depths of the night, I'm feeling blue. I got a whole lot of whiskey and nothing to do. Mind wanders to a love so true. Oh, Patty, my darling, it's all about you. Hand in hand we walk this winding road, through the fire of love, our hearts they flow. With every beat, my soul you stole. Patty, my love, make me whole. Through the smoke-filled bars where the blues reside, I stumble and sway with you by my side. You bring the light to my darkest nights. Daddy, my dear, you make everything right.
Doomsday is near. Brace yourself, my dear. Planet X is here, bringing chaos, causing fear. Our climate's gone awry. The end is drawing near. The world's on fire, no place for us to hide. Ice caps are melting, the oceans rise so high. Storms are brewing in the blink of the night. Heat waves scorch the earth, no escape in sight. Planet X's arrival, changing day to night. Can you feel the cosmic shift, shaking the ground? Planet X is here, spinning round and round. Our climate's gone insane, there's no turning back. Hold on tight, the world's under attack.
A mist, a mystery in the night, causing chaos, stirring up a fight. Suns ablaze, X flares, igniting the sky, sending CME, the world wonders why. Storm is coming, no shelter in sight. Earth is trembling in the path of the zone. Civilizations caught in this astral mess. Nature's fury wreaking havoc, no less. Cities crumble under the power of the stars. Mankind trembles as night turns into scars. Late at night, when stars shine bright, I'm sitting here feeling the blues alright. Planet X Nibiru, whispers in the wind, causing change. Can't you see? My heart's growing thin. Weather's shifting, temperature rising. Nibiru's pulling so mesmerizing. Oh, Mother Earth, she's feeling the heat. Climate's changing, it's a deadly beat. Storms are raging, oceans are rising. The blues I feel so mesmerizing. Planet X, you're messing with our home. Can't escape a chill. Can't you hear me moan? Ooh, can't escape a chill. Can't you hear me moan?
Haunting skies above, worlds are cruel and tough. Evil lurking, shadows creeping, deep roots that won't heal. Darkness surrounds, a symphony resounds in this wicked realm. Truth is not concealed. Corruption running rampant, our poison in our veins. Injustice bleeds, innocence fades. It's all in vain. A twisted dance of power and murder tears devour this evil world. A nightmare that remains. In the realm of shadows, darkness takes its hold. In this wicked world where evil stories are told, but we won't surrender. We'll rise against the night. In our hearts, a ray of hope. We'll fight the dark with light. Its fall in this wicked world where evil stories are told, but we won't surrender. We'll rise against the night. In our hearts, a ray of hope. We'll find the